And if you see that picture behind, she was the owner of the house. She was Rita Kaiser, and she died when she was 115 years old. Maybe she drank a lot of chicha, or she liked it quick. Okay. That shows us that we are in the exactly middle of the world, because this line was calculated with a military GPS that proved that we are in the latitude 000. But to prove your friends that you visited the middle of the world, you need some pictures. Huh? Please, go ahead. See, Gabon, Congo, Congo Republic, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, Somalia, Indonesia, Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. But why Ecuador? If we divide this in 4 parts like the French mission, we are going to divide the first part, water, the half, 180, water, 90 degrees water, and the last part, Ecuador. That is the reason that we want the title to be the middle of the world. Galapagos is exactly points according to the longitude and to the latitude. But Galapagos has volcanic origin, and the exactly place is on Wolf volcano, so it's impossible to visit that place. But you can see that big monuments behind. That is very important because imagine at the 18th centuries without technological instruments, without GPS, the mission trip were very close to this line, and there are only 200 meters from this monument to this one that is accurate. But I have a question for you. Do you know what is the meaning of Quito? Ki means center, to means land, the center of the land, the center of the earth. Our indigenous people know that only by the position of the sun, without technological instruments, without GPS. Accurate than the mission trip and the GPS too. And also with this sphere, I can explain you something about Coriolis forces or Coriolis effect. Coriolis was a French scientist, and he studied that according to the rotation of the earth, there are 2 forces, one in the north, one in the south. And please, I need 3 volunteers. Lady, please, could you help me here on the equator? Oh, okay. You please here at south, and you please here in the northern hemisphere, okay? The rotation of the earth goes to the east, so you can see, please. For example, United States now is spinning anti-clockwise. Is it correct? Yes. Countries in the south, for example, Argentina, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. And you lady, could you tell me what happened with the Equator land and Ecuador, my country, please? Nothing, spinning. Up and down, up and down. Because the centrifugal forces of the star and the poles, those come to the equator, and here those forces crash and disappear. That is the reason that here in the middle we don't have movement, and we are away from cyclones, typhoons, hurricanes from the north and from the southern hemisphere. But in Ecuador we have natural disasters too, such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and currents marine that affect our coast region. And we are going to see this demonstration but with the water test. Okay, please. If you want to take some pictures or videos, you can do it, okay? Here in the middle, the water falls straight down without the spin. Please look at the surface here. And look at the lips. Without whirlpool, without a stick. Straight down. Now to check the difference, we're going to change to the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere, the water falls clockwise, according to our watch. Clockwise. Now we're going to see the difference in the northern hemisphere.
Mabel, was there a squirrel?
twice. In the same way are going to be cyclones, typhoons, hurricanes in the north and in the southern hemisphere. This is the first demonstration, but we are going to do more to make sure. Okay? Possible balance. But if you are able to balance this egg, you are going to receive a gift. It is a certificate from this museum to show your friends that you visit the middle of the world and you balance an egg all the nail. It is possible. I'm going to show you.
Vamos a ver aquí movimiento neutro.
On the nail. If you do the same, you win the certificate. Let's get to work. Who wants to be first? Yeah.
What you do is you take like the 3 spots and let it sit there for a while. The liquid inside is going to go one foot together. And what happens is you have forces going different directions. If you sit there long enough, those liquids will settle. Balance there. Don't move a lot. Just
Mira el agua en Italia.
Comes off for a few seconds, comes over here, it's going to lands again.
Acérquese por favor para que me vea cómo gira. Si se acuerda cómo giraba Rusia.
Oh, wow. El norte del agua forma antiural.
Please, somebody else. Sir?
Parece una cosa absurda que
Fuerte.
a un metro.
Estaba muy cerca de la línea de frente, ¿no? Lo que llama la atención. Por eso de lo que la Tierra en forma natural genera y demuestra en sus fenómenos.
Por esto se puede equilibrar.
Estamos muy cerca y es necesario buscarnos mucho más de 100 kilómetros hacia el norte o hacia el sur para ver de forma natural. Y además de eso, esta mayor cantidad de agua en un mejor
Congratulations.
una pequeña demostración.
Hasta mientras vamos a hacer otra cosa. ¿Ya? Vengan por aquí.
Try to move slowly, then you balance.
¿Sí? Por favor que se pongan el tiempo. ¿Sí? Que guarden con la mano libre. Frente a mí. Y guarden.
Bien. No, por favor, acompáñame acá.
Un pie al frente. Un pie al frente. Ya, manos hacia arriba.
Vamos a empezar.
Que haga fuerza, yo le voy a intentar bajar.
No toman grapa. O sí toman grapa.
Ya. ¿Está? Ready?
Would you like to try here?
Lo mismo vamos a hacer al norte. ¿Sí?
Y van a caminar sobre la línea roja. La siguiente pierna. Yendo para adelante un poquito. Brazos a los hombros.
Ya, frente a mí.
Yendo al frente.
¿Ready?
Yendo en hombro.
Ok. Ya. Vamos ahora a la línea ecuatorial. Ya, lista. Brazos duros.
Yeah, later.
¿Está?